Hello, I am Anshul, and in this video we'll be solving a few questions based on polygons. A straight wire is twisted in between like this. It is contorted like this, and we have to find sum of all these angles. Okay, now this is a random figure with no information given, so you cannot just say that this angle here and this angle here will sum up to 360 degrees. We cannot just assume that this angle will fit perfectly in this space given. We don't know that, so don't go for such logics. What we know for sure is that had it been an n-sided polygon, sum of all the angles will be n minus 2 into 180 degrees. But we don't have a polygon here. If I join a line like this, it becomes a concave polygon. It's a closed figure with how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 sides. It's a closed figure with 16 sides. So it's a concave polygon. Now extra angles that we are creating on making this polygon are these angles 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 right angles. So we will discard these 4 right angles from the total sum. Now total sides of polygon are 16. So total sum will be 16 minus 2, 14 into 180 degrees. And required sum will be this total sum minus 4 extra right angles. 4 into 90 degrees, 2 into 180 degree. So 14 into 180 minus 2 into 180 will be 12 into 180 degrees. 12 into 180 is 216, 12 into 18 is 216, 2160 degrees. Now in questions which talk in general terms and nothing specific is given, but the answer is required as a specific number, know for sure that a little creativity, a little construction will be required in such questions. Let's move on to the next question. This one is simple. N-sided polygon has n diagonals. Now number of diagonals in an n-sided polygon are n into n minus 3 upon 2. This we have seen. And this figure is equal to n as there are total n diagonals. Now n is not 0, so you can cancel it from both the sides. N minus 2 will be 3, n will come out to be 5. So it's a pentagon. Next question. The interior angle of a regular polygon exceeds the exterior angle by 90 degrees. Find its number of sides. Now interior angle, this we know that interior angle plus exterior angle of any polygon will give us sum as 180 degree. Now if exterior angle is x, the interior angle exceeds exterior angle by 90 degree. Interior angle will be 90 plus x. Okay. So 90 plus 2x is 180 degree. 2x will be 90 degree. X will come out to be 45 degrees. So number of sides will be 360 upon exterior angle. This is the formula. So 360 degree upon 45 degree, which will give 8 sides. It's an octagon. Next question. Diagonals of a rhombus differ by 6 centimeter. So if diagonals were D1 and D2, so D1 minus D2 is given as 6 centimeter. If its side is 9 centimeter, find its area. Now forget these values 6 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Let's take variables to get a formula. Difference of diagonals is D1 minus D2, that is equal to D, and we have a side of rhombus as S. All 4 sides are equal, and we have to find area in terms of these variables, in terms of D and S. Now this is our figure. Diagonals are D2 and D1, sides are S, all 4 sides are equal. Now diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degrees. So this angle is 90 degrees. They bisect means this DO will be D1 by 2 and OC will be D2 by 2. And this angle here is 90 degrees. So we have a right angle triangle DOC in which we can apply Pythagoras theorem. D1 by 2 whole square plus D2 upon 2 whole square is equal to hypotenuse square. And this gives D1 square plus D2 square is equal to 4s square. Now area of rhombus is what? Area of rhombus is half D1 D2. This is the direct formula. This gives us D1 D2 as 2a. Okay. Now if I expand this bracket D1 minus D2 whole square, what will I get? This will be D1 square plus D2 square minus 2D1 D2. Okay. Substitute the variables. D1 minus D2 whole square is what? D square. And D1 square plus D2 square is what? 4s square. 4s square minus twice D1 D2. D1 D2 is 2a. That would be 4a. So area will come out to be s square minus d square upon 4. Now we have capital D as 6 centimeter, difference between the diagonals as 6 centimeter and side as 9 centimeter. Put these values to get the area. Area will come out to be side square, that is 81, minus 6 square 36 upon 4 is 9. 81 minus 9 is 72 square units. Square centimeter is the area. I hope all the examples that we took are clear to you. Do mail me your feedback at support@gofodu.com. Thank you.